Hey, are you there? I think you have to unmute. See if it's working.
See it. All right. Unmute, start video, allow.
Hey, there you are.
All right.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Doing good. How are you?
Not too bad. So nice to finally see you. I'm Walker. I'm the one that's helped you, work all the way through this transaction, and we're really just now talking. I mean,
Yeah.
our initial phone call, and then did that inspection, and now we've closed. So, if you don't mind, maybe just describe how your experience has been with us. We really appreciate anything that you have to say. So.
Well, I got into the market to sell my house, and I got a lot of phone calls from people who are out there trying to buy a house, and you want to sell your property. And so I started answering them and hearing the offers. You were the first one who actually called me back and went straight to the business end of it. You didn't take my name and say you're going to call me back within a day. We went straight into talking to the money portions of it. I would have probably jumped right in on a deal, except for you were the first person that I had talked to. So, I mean, I had to talk to other people, hear the other offers, and see what was going on. So, but even after talking to 8 total people, you had the best offer out there. And that's why we went with you guys.
Nice. Well, I'm glad that we were able to work with you, and we really appreciate that. We do take the offer part of our business seriously, exactly what you said. There are a lot of people out there buying houses, and if we were, consistently, trying to steal these houses from people, basically, like just undercutting their money, we wouldn't be buying these things. So
Right.
we definitely try to come with our best foot forward, basically,
Right.
and clearly that's what got us here. So, I mean, I really appreciate it. Do you remember by any chance, like, how you originally heard about us? I know that you said that you had a couple other people.
I'm pretty sure you guys cold called me.
Nice.
I got a message. I called it back. Like, oh, hey, I'm calling these people back to hear what the offer is on my property. So
Nice.
I did go with your cold call.
Nice. Perfect. So then, I know that you said that we had the highest offer. Was there anything else that really like led you to work with us outside of the offer amount, or because obviously 8 other people involved, that's a lot of competition.
I think it was just the personal effect of it. Once we got on the phone, you straight up told me how your business worked, how your buyers invest in your business and the percentage you give them, and how that all works to the deal in itself, and why the offer was out there. You got on the phone with me, and we looked at the properties in my area, and I was able to jump in the car and look at this house and look at that house, and just in general, the whole aspect of it. You
Would
had
you say, like,
properties to talk about.
transparency? Like,
Yeah, it was just,
yeah, because that's one thing I really try to pride myself on, and so does our company, man. It's like, this is why our offer is what it is. We're not out to, get rich on every single deal that we do. That's why we're a high volume house buying company. It
right.
takes multiple purchases and multiple transactions to really see the work kind of pay for itself, but we are really glad that you had a good experience with us, and we really do pride ourselves on that transportation. That's so funny. I meant transparency. So
Yeah.
I really appreciate your time hopping on the call with me. And if you don't have anything else, that's all I needed from you. And I really appreciate
Everything went real smooth. We just got home from the title place. That's what took so long. I didn't realize I wasn't on the internet there, and we grabbed a quick bite to eat. So now we're home. Everything's done.
Hey, perfect, man. Well, appreciate your time again. Glad we could get this thing done for you, and looking forward to, if you ever want to sell another house, hopefully we can work on that one too.
Excellent. I'd refer you if I hear anybody going for it.
Yep.
Nice, man. I really appreciate it. Thank you for the good words, and hope you guys, you know, we live in a crazy 2020, so I hope you guys, you know, make the best of the rest of it.
Hey, no problem, man. You enjoy your day. Thank you for
All righty. Thank you. Have a good
Alrighty. Bye.
one.